How to export your email contacts from GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate. What's up guys, Amy here. Just a quick video tutorial on how to export your email contacts so that you can upload it into your email marketing provider or as a custom audience on your advertising platform. Let's get started. Alright guys, now because I don't have any products on GrooveSell yet, I'm going to show you how to export all your email contacts from a Groove Affiliate functionality. Once you start generating leads and sales on GrooveSell, the export functionality is exactly the same. So first we need to click on Groove Affiliate, click on Reporting, and by default, the time frame will be set to today's date. You will need to click here and select the time frame that you would like to export your email contacts from. And bear in mind, whichever time frame you exported your email contacts, in your next export, you need to remember the last date that you exported. Okay, let's click on All Time. And up here, you will see All Transaction. This means that it includes all free signups, rebills, initial payments, as well as sales, and that's in the form of email contacts. Now, if you were an affiliate and wanted to create a follow-up email sequence, you can select Free Transactions. This tells the system, give me everyone who signed up to the free GrooveFunnels account only. Now, some disclaimers here. You want to have permission marketing so that if someone didn't sign up to your email list and you emailed people, it will be marked as spam. So if you do this, then make sure you introduce yourself in the email and let people know that they can unsubscribe from your emails. Now that we have that out of the way, once you selected the type of transactions of email contacts you would like to export, as well as the time frame, you can click on Export and then Export All. That's going to load, and then it will open up a new tab which then downloads a CSV file for you. Let's say that your email marketing provider is ActiveCampaign. You will import that CSV file using their import tool. And I'm not going to show you how to import your email contact list into your email marketing provider because you can be using ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, MailChimp, and each one of these marketing providers will have their own instructions for importing an email list. If you're using GrooveMail, you cannot upload your email contacts into GrooveMail yet. You will have to do this manually by adding a contact under Leads, okay? So just bear that in mind. We're going to go back to GrooveSell. Let's say you want a buyers list. You can filter these transactions under Sale, and this will give you your buyers email list. In this example, you're requesting a list of anyone who purchased GrooveFunnels or GroovePages Pro lifetime account. All you need to do is select the right time frame over here. Once you've done so, then you can go over here, click Export and Export All. That will also give you another CSV file. And then you can start creating email sequences or autoresponders based on people who sign up to the free account, or nurture your buyers list with more content and training. That's it, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that like button for me, leave a comment below and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Until next time, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and see ya.